This tutorial will talk you through how to use a power search in Destiny. One of the reasons you might want to use a power search is if you need to really narrow down the type of book you're looking for. Let's first get to the power search, and then I'll give you some examples. You should be in Catalog tab at the top, Library Search at the left, and over here on our search tabs, click from Basic to Power. The power search uses the Boolean operators and, or, and not. If you don't know what those mean, you might want to go back and look at the tutorial on Boolean operators so you know what those mean. Here's an example of how you might use a power search. Let's say you were looking for a biography. You needed to read a biography for a class. We can type in biography into our top window here. And then we want to narrow it down. I would like to read a biography on a scientist, but I don't really know what biographies the library has on scientists, so I am going to type in scientists into my second line. And then I'm going to keep it at and because I want the computer to search for books that are both biographies and about scientists. So I'm going to come over here to search, and here is a list of books that are biographies, and they appear to all be about scientists. So that worked pretty well. I could come back and I could change this to, say, artists, and to see what I would get. So this is a way to tell the computer to search for a couple of things at one time. Okay, let's do a new search here. Let's say I was looking for books on horses, and I was just getting lots and lots and lots of them, and what I really want is, I don't want the fiction books showing up because I need this for a report. So I'm going to type in horses and choose not, and type in fiction. And that should limit my search to just the real books, the real information about horses. And it appears to have done so. Another way I might use the power search and the Boolean operators is if I wanted to look up a couple of different topics, a couple of different subjects. Let's say I have both a cat and a dog at home. In the basic search, I can search for cats, I can search for dogs, but I can't search for them both at the same time. I can do that here if I type in cats, and I want to tell the computer cats or dogs. So anything that has to do with cats, anything that has to do with dogs. And here I have a list. Now I might try, if I just wanted real information on cats and dogs, I might try adding not fiction and see if that narrowed down my list. And it looks like it did. There's probably some that sneak in there, but it looks like it did for the most part. So that's a way that you can use the power search. Notice that you can also get more specific. You can say that I want cats only if cats is found in the title of the book or the subject. So you can narrow your search more that way. You can say that I want the more recent books that have been published, so you could put a year in here, maybe 2010, and that would just get the really recent books that have been published. So there's lots of ways that you can limit your search and get a better list of what you need and save yourself time by using a power search. It takes a little practice, but it can come in really handy.